girl, hey. So yes, welcome back to my channel for another video, y'all. With this hair, I just want to shake my head. Like, these curls got me wanting to go to church. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in for another Wig Wednesday. Wig Wednesday, basically every Wednesday we're going to be showcasing a new wig. I am trying to find the most affordable wigs out there. We are slaying on a budget, all 2K19, sis. And to spend all your coins, I mean, to slay. I mean, sis, we got bills. We got real bills. I help you by helping you find the most bomb slayingest wigs out there on a budget, so you can save you some coins. You help me by subscribing to the channel. Yes, I know I might look like Shirley Temple, but still subscribe, y'all. Don't leave. As I say, like, don't come just to get my wigs and my advice and my tips and my wigs on a budget, but don't subscribe. That's rude. Don't do that. That's real rude. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into this wig.
Alright, y'all, per usual, I will be showing you guys how the wig came. So it came with a wig cap, it came with a wig net, and of course the wig, y'all. It came with a net around the wig, and there's paper inside of the wig for packaging, 2 clips at the top, and an adjustable strap, no clips at the bottom. And y'all, I just plopped this on my dome head, did not have to really customize too much, and this is how it looks right out of the packaging.
Hey y'all, so for this Wig Wednesday, I did want to go ahead and just put the camera on live with you guys. Live, not live, but live or whatever, rather than doing a voiceover, just because I don't really have to customize this wig. So I do want you guys to get my first impression of the wig, and we're just gonna see how it go. I mean, so far when I got it out of the packaging, it's cute or whatever. I mean, the curls popping, the colors popping, I'm popping, so it might just be a match made in heaven. So we gonna see. Oh, this wig, it does have a little bang in the front for the curls to fall in your face. I thought that was really cute when I saw it online. Y'all, I thought this thing was gonna be thin, but it's slick full, and I thought that I was gonna pick out the curls, which I'm still undecided. But y'all, like, this hair is already thick. Let me go ahead and just get this tag off of it so I can go ahead and plop her on, because y'all, I'm ready. She cute. Yeah, the construction of the cap is really good. As you guys saw, it has 2 clips at the top, and then of course that's the hair for the bang. There's no clip on the back, so I love that because I don't like clips that are in the nape area. And then of course it has an adjustable strap, so you can adjust it to your size. And of course it does have that breathable net, so if you need to dig in there and scratch your hair, girl, you can dig in and scratch your hair. But yeah, let's go ahead and plop her on, and we're gonna see. Alright, y'all, so this is her just plopped on. Let me try to adjust her, because I feel like I'm looking like Shirley Temple, that is. Like, she's not with it right now. Shirley Temple, I mean Shirley Caesar, just Shirley hair. This is just Shirley hair, just Shirley. Like, oh no. Let me try to get her right. I mean, I don't like the bangs are too, maybe that's the hair that go to the side. Let's see. So I was about to say the bangs are too long. They still are a little too long. Yeah, let me get my scissors. I don't know, y'all. I mean, she cute or whatever. I just don't think she cute on me. I mean, like, I just didn't get that same effect. Like, when I put on my last wig last week, y'all, I was like, yes, it's come through. And this week I'm like, okay. I mean, she there, but okay, just okay. Off camera she look okay. Let me try to frame my face a little better, because I don't know. And no, y'all, I am not no cosmetologist, so I don't know how to cut hair or nothing. I just be doing stuff. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I really do like the fullness of it. I love the curl pattern, I love the color, I love the bang idea. I just don't know if I think it's cute on me. No, y'all, I don't know. Y'all let me know. Pretty much it. The link to this wig, if y'all like it, if y'all want it, it will be linked in the description box below. So y'all, please be sure to check that out. Y'all, we steady coming with the videos, so don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. If y'all felt like I was slacking this week on the wig, if y'all don't really like this one, y'all, we still got more Wig Wednesdays to go. Like, with this curly hair, just made me want to just shake my head. Like, yes. Don't forget to subscribe for more Wig Wednesdays, for more slayage. Like, I mean, she coming, she's at the door, but I don't know if she's ready to step off in the party yet. I mean, red wig sis was already in there. That's sis party, like, but I don't know if she's ready to go in yet. Like, she's standing at the door looking all cute, but I don't think she's ready. Don't forget to follow my social media: Snapchat, she_her_Jeanette, Instagram, she_her_Jeanette, and y'all just let me know. If y'all don't like this wig, don't unsubscribe, y'all. Next week we gonna be better. Just don't leave the family yet. Just give me a chance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Later. Bye.
That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you.